The base variant of the Renault Duster has received 0 stars for adult occupant protection in the latest global NCAP crash tests for Indian-made cars. The Duster also received 2 stars for rear child occupant protection. This is the second round of crash testing of cars that are made in India for 2017. The first round saw the Chevrolet Enjoy and Ford Figo Aspire being crash tested. Global NCAP has been conducting a series of crash tests of popular Indian market models since 2014. The Renault Duster sold in India does not have airbags as standard, which is why it has failed this most recent crash test. After the results were shared with Renault, the French manufacturer requested Global NCAP to also crash test a mid-variant that does have a driver's seat airbag fitted on. This second test has yielded the car a 3-star rating, which is much better, of course. The rear child occupant rating remains 2 stars in this case as well. But this is where Global NCAP noticed something different about the car. The same model Duster made in Colombia for the Latin American region had previously received a 4-star rating for its driver side only variant 2 in the Latin NCAP crash test from September 2015. A quick investigation revealed the reason. The LATAM market Duster gets a bigger sized airbag than the Indian car does. The smaller airbag sees the driver dummy's head not striking the center of the airbag when it inflates, as it should. This causes more potential injuries, some of which a larger airbag would prevent. The Latin American Duster's airbag, being a larger size, covered the head and chest of the driver. Renault India's official statement on the Duster's crash test result was as follows. "We're already future ready in terms of technology, design and engineering for enhanced safety for all our vehicles. The Indian government has announced that the crash test regulation for the existing cars will come into effect in 2019 and for the new cars in 2017. Renault fully supports this."